Just doing some trading in the London session here. I've got my 5-minute point of control chart, got my 60-minute chart, and I've got my 1-minute chart that I like to play around with a lot. Pretty simple setup. I've got the 20 SMA, the 250 SMA. I've got the ultimate VWAP on here with the previous day VWAP closes. I've got the legendary gold ADX dots. If you're unfamiliar with these, there's a video in the trend and reversal playlist that shows you how to make the ADX dots. I've got delta divergence, then I've got Chaikin and DMI divergence as well. The candles are being painted by the trend and reversal. I've got an input series of the ultimate delta. I'm using the regular per bar delta as the input series. I've got the directional filter off, and then I'm using the SMA filter with an SMA period of 9. Then I've also got single bar divergence activated. Single bar divergence is painting these white outlines. So anytime there is single bar divergence, I will get a white outline. And I'm using the new Z order feature so that the ultimate delta single bar divergence will always show up on top and paint over top of the trend and reversal outlines. And while I've been talking, we just got a nice bounce off of VWAP. We had a bunch of divergence building up. Nice bounce off of VWAP, ADX dot. We're popping up a little bit more. Had delta steadily rising here as we're coming down. You can see delta's just steadily rising. We popped up over 10 points off of the VWAP. Would have been a great place to get into a little long there. I've been trading with this setup during the London session, and so far I've been enjoying it, catching some good trades. Can kind of follow the delta waves on the candles here, smoothed out by a 9-period SMA. I just got into a little short. We were pulling up to the 20 SMA, got an ADX dot to the downside, and a red delta candle on the trend and reversal. Just popped down about 7 points. I just got into one more short before I'm going to head to bed here. We had a bunch of ADX dots building up to the downside. Started moving back below the 20, below this previous day VWAP close. The trend and reversal delta candle started turning red. Got into a little short, looking for it to possibly retest VWAP, which we just did. Just woke up and checking out the afternoon session. I don't know if I'll be trading any of this. It looks a little bit choppy and uneventful. But check out the previous day VWAP close, blue dash line. This area has been holding to the tick for quite some time here. Looks like we had a big up move during the morning session and stopped right here at this previous day VWAP close. It's a great key level to have on your chart. It's part of the MMT Ultimate VWAP indicator. I hesitantly got into a long. Right here we had some double divergence and an ADX dot. Nice bottom wick on this candle. We had point of control drawn down to the bottom of this previous 5-minute candle. Always kind of keeping my eye on the point of control on the 5-minute candle. Like here we had a pretty big wick. We had point of control a little bit up in the wick. Had a nice move down. Then we had point of control down in the bottom. We're getting a little bounce up. We got a wick on this candle. Point of control down in the wick. Keeping my eye on that. Turned out to be a great trade. I was feeling questionable about it, so I hopped out for literally just a point. But it ended up popping up over 15 points there. I've been getting into some other things this morning and I have to get out the door, so I haven't taken any other trades. We had some ADX dots building up here, a little move down, some divergence, some ADX dots, nice little move up, some divergence, ADX dot, move down, ADX dot off of the 250 SMA. But I'm going to call it a day there, making 30 or 35 points per account. Even on the micros, it's not too bad. Especially the more accounts that I stack up. Someday it'd be nice to have 5 take profit trader accounts and 6 TradeDay accounts and 5 Tradeify accounts and a few Apex accounts. Life goals. Good to have. And if you haven't noticed, there are some crazy good prop firm deals out there. TradeDay has 40% off and no activation fee. Take Profit Trader also has 40% off and no activation fee. Tradeify has 50% off and Apex has 80% off. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is super amazing. Thanks for the inspiration to keep making these videos. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.